Sirikand kaunti ma Kisumu oyango chenro mabiro neno ni giyudo yot mar chopo ei gwenge kaachiel kod boma noero kokadho e wang apeyni. Minista mochung ne wang apeyni e countyno ma Kisumu, Laktar Joyce Osogo, wacho ni sirikand countyno oketo tenge omenda maromo siling milion 129 mabiro neno ni onyiew mwandu makamano mar mondo mi gidhi nyime koda chenro makamano. Kane oloso e seche mabende na giyawo chenro makamano, gavana ma Kisumu Migosi Peter Anyang' Nyong'o wacho ni chenro makamano biro bedo koda buche mag koso tich e countyno kaachiel koda ting'o malo ngima mag rowere mantiere e countyno ma Kisumu.
I want to confirm to county government of Kisumu that we are still in the process of accomplishing acquisition of the procured machines. That is in few weeks, couples of weeks, we are also going to launch a roller and an excavator, which is used for road formation and reshaping of our roads. I want to confirm to the county government of Kisumu that this program that we are launching today is to ensure that our concentration is not only in the urban areas, which we partner with other road agencies, but to ensure that the rural access roads and network connectivity is highly improved and increased.
Kama kazi mtani, lakini this is called Kisumu Road Maintenance Teams. For that matter, we have bought equipment like these tractors you see here and the lorries. These are they will be opening up the roads. The lorries will bring maram, and the young people called the Kisumu Road Maintenance Teams will work on roads, maintaining them, so that they can get some money also together. So this is a program by Joyce Osogo's Ministry of Road, Public Works and whatever. What is the other one?
Transport and public works.
Yeah, I see. Roads, transport and public works. Joyce is the CC in charge of that ministry.